Rolls-Royce Cullinan Series 2 is undoubtedly one of the most extravagant SUVs in the world. SPOFEC, the German automotive refinement specialist, specializing exclusively in the luxury vehicles from the British brand, now presents a sophisticated refinement range at whose heart is the spectacular, overdose wide-body version. The sweeping fender flares add 12 cm to the width of the Cullinan Series 2 compared to the production car. They create space for custom-made, 24-inch SPOFEC wheels, which were developed in cooperation with the American premium manufacturer Vossen. The ride height of the Rolls-Royce can be lowered by about 35 mm with a special suspension kit tailored to these king-sized rims. SPOFEC also boosts the strength of the twin-turbo V12 engine even further. A performance increase to an output of 520 kilowatts, 707 horsepower, and a peak torque of 1,060 Nm is available for the top-of-the-range black badge model shown here. As a result, the exquisite SUV completes the sprint from 0 to 100 km/h in just 4.6 seconds. SPOFEC stainless exhaust systems, either with or without electronic sound management, give the 12-cylinder a sportier exhaust note. The German tuner also fulfills the individual wishes of any Rolls-Royce owner when it comes to the interior.